I'm Paul Padda. I'm the owner and managing partner of Padda Law. Our focus is primarily on personal injury. I've been litigating cases for well over a decade. My parents are originally from India. I was born in New York. My father was a professor. My mom was a kindergarten teacher. Being the child of immigrants, I think it gives you a really unique perspective. Their immigrant experience, seeing how hard my parents worked to provide a better life for my brother and I, really kind of instilled in me the value of how great this country is. In many other countries, it's virtually impossible for an average person to take on either the government or a very large corporate interest. That concept of justice. We have a system in this country where you as a person, you really can't hold the government or a large corporation accountable. I decided to become a private sector lawyer and start my own law practice because I wanted to be an advocate for folks who are going up against large insurance companies or other corporate interests that had unlimited resources. Having been a prosecutor and having worked for the Department of Justice out of Washington, D.C., I've gone up against the largest law firms in America. I'm never intimidated by going to court, and now, as a personal injury attorney, I feel that I can put my skills to use by fighting on behalf of the little guy. We're the kind of firm that takes on cases with an eye towards going to trial. When you walk into court, you have to be prepared to address a jury. You have to be prepared to address a judge. You should never be intimidated by anybody. The only people I need to impress inside of a courtroom are the 12 jurors that I'm speaking to. We recently won a $160 million verdict in court, and that was record-setting here in Nevada. Going forward, other companies are going to look and say, you know what, we don't want to end up getting sued by Paul Padda, so we better reform how we do things. It's about justice, integrity, compassion, and ethics. If people come in to see me and something horrible has happened to them, I'm going to be emotionally invested in that case. I'm going to make sure that my client gets justice in court. We have approximately 6 lawyers on staff, including myself, and a support team of paralegals and case managers. We have the resources to be able to litigate effectively for our clients. I'm always available to my clients. I always make myself accessible. People often come to us here at Padda Law when they've been injured, they're struggling with medical bills, they're trying to make sense of it all, they're getting phone calls from an insurance company. We're on their team, and we're there to help them get through the process. I'm Paul Padda. I fight for injured people day in and day out. It's what we do, and it's what we believe in. I'm on your side. I'm here to make you comfortable and take your stress. Let me be your fighter in court.